Good morning, everyone. I'm showing you my Walmart haul today. These are supplements I needed for my leftover ingredients para sa meal preparation for this week. Today is Sunday here in the US. I paid $21.45 for this grocery, and that is equivalent more or less to 1,072 pesos or something. Okay, so the challenge for me is what can I prepare, whatever breakfast, lunch, or dinner out of this $21.45 grocery. So I'm not gonna specify the prices for each of these items para hindi siya long video. So we have first lettuce and carrots and the cheese, spread, kalabasa, and dalawang mangga, mga kamatis, dahon ng sibuyas, cilantro, and then spinach, toasted bread, and the spicy jalapeno sausage. So, sa mga makikita nyo, ano kayang pwede natin gawin for breakfast? So, we have several choices for breakfast. Pwedeng hot dog with rice. Of course, as a Filipino, we always have rice. We bought like, di ba? Sako pa yan. So, aabot pa yan ng maybe a month or two. So, we can have hot dog with rice with egg, or pwede siya omelette. We have eggs left over, of course, and we're gonna put some minsan sa amin ang omelette, we add a chop of tomato and dahon ng sibuyas. So yun ang pwede nating i-breakfast. Or pwede din siyang itong bread, I grow up eating hard bread. That's why maybe my sira-sira ang ngipin ko. So, ito siya dito sa Amerika. Ginagamit nila to sa salad nila. Ika-crush lang yan nila to and then put it on top of their salad. Pero ako, pwede ko siyang i-breakfast. Lagyan lang siya ng palaman. Yung honey palaman natin. Coffee or a little egg in between. Pwede na yan, breakfast. So, another thing we can prepare is salad. A combination of carrots, lettuce, or itong spinach. Kinakain tong hilaw sa mga may gusto. Okay? So, and then ang salad ko, of course, nilalagyan ko yan ng egg, or nilalagyan ko siya ng mangga. Slice this mango and then spread it on your salad. Pwede siya. And pwede din siya for the lunch for me, ginisang munggos, and then I like this, walang alugbati dito, di ba yun ang paborito natin sa munggos. Ito ang nire-replace ko sa alugbati, spinach. So, I can add this and then gisa this kalabasa on my leftover munggo. So, yun. Okay, so, anything you can think of. I know, tayong mga Filipino, we're so good in making up different kind of meal out of whatever leftover we have. So, there you go, guys. This is my challenge for the whole week. And at least we save money. We don't spend all of our hard-earned money on food. So try to make use of our leftover, whatever we have in our refrigerator. Okay, thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye!